we'll guide you through how to zoom in on a video using CapCut's desktop editor. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop and start a new project by clicking on the New Project button. Once you're in, import your video clip by selecting the Import button in the Media Library area and choosing your video file. Drag and drop the video onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Now, to zoom in, you need to select the clip on the timeline. Look for the Transform section in the right-hand panel. Here you'll find a scale slider. Adjust this slider to the right to zoom in on your video. You can also manually enter a percentage in the scale box if you want precise control. As you zoom, keep an eye on the preview window to make sure you're framing the subject just right. If you want to zoom in on a specific part of the video over time, you can use keyframes. Click on the Add Keyframe button, which looks like a diamond, located in the timeline above the video. Move the playhead to where you want the zoom to start, set your initial scale, then move the playhead to where you want the zoom to end and adjust the scale again. CapCut will automatically create a smooth zoom transition between these 2 points. Make sure to play back the video to see if the zoom effect works as you intended. You can always adjust the keyframes or scale settings if it doesn't look quite right. Once you're happy with the zoom, export your video by clicking the Export button in the top right corner and selecting your desired settings. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.